working on the Z. I put these wheels on the rear, the wedge shokies, and I also put the works right here in the front. I'll show you guys how it looks when I have it down, but I'm gonna put on the side skirts after this. Brandon was supposed to come over and fucking help me out, but he doesn't want to. And he wants to go to the fucking casino, but later on I'm gonna go with Donnie to LA, so I'm not wanting to do that. I want to get this done. I'm gonna put the side skirts on and then put the roof rack, and then I'm gonna put the wheels on top of the roof rack, obviously. But yeah, I'm just trying to make it look pretty decent for the most part, but I'm gonna try to get it done before 4 at least, because then that's when I'm gonna leave. But let's see how it goes right now. Alright, so the side skirts are here. They have the tabs on all of these right, but some of them are missing. These are on there, but missing, and then missing right there, and the same thing missing over there. So hopefully these will work. If not, I'm not gonna throw on the side skirts today. Alright, I'm gonna try to manage how to put them on, and if I'm able to, then good. If I'm not, and these are the wrong size, and obviously they got to be like these exact ones, but I don't have them. If it doesn't work out, then I'm not gonna do the side skirts today, but we'll see. Okay, so we fixed the fitment in the front. I remember I used to have this issue with my old skirts, but that's because I didn't take out the tab out. And then I definitely got to clip something else right here so it could hold, but it looks decent for the most part. Hopefully it doesn't get ruined. In the back right here, I have to bolt on these screws, but other than that, the skirt is on, and we just gotta throw on the passenger side, but pretty solid for the most part. Also, forgot there's, what, 1, 2, 3, 10 mils that you gotta bolt on at the bottom, so we gotta do that. I forgot. We gotta make sure we bolt that on, and then we can put on the passenger side skirt, but yeah, I gotta put these 10 mils at the bottom. Oh no, this one right here. This is the only bolt that's screwed in. So the other ones I really can't see, and they're not connecting to another hole. I think this one too, but maybe I had to move it in a little bit more. All right, never mind. If you guys have that issue, just scooch the skirt a little bit in and then screw it on. So I'm gonna do that right now. All right, we got it, chat. We got it. We fucking got it. Alright, we got the skirts on. Guys, so I successfully finished within the time limit. I'm leaving a little bit earlier to Donnie's house because I had to pump gas, and then I gotta go pull up to his house. But yeah, that's about it. We're gonna fucking go to LA today. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this all in one video. Maybe, because, you know, I did do the skirts, put the wheels on, I don't know. But fuck it, we could just do it like a vlog because I did start today, everything. Let's fucking go link up with Donnie and get ourselves some fucking food because I'm starving. Some water and an energy drink, and yeah, we'll be set. Alright, so I got myself a bacon cheeseburger. Got the Voodoo Grape fucking monster. Waiting on fucking Donnie, but hell yeah. Alright, so we're here, but we're at a gas station. We're waiting for a bunch of other cars, but we got Donnie's right here, and then some other Z, but I never seen the Z ever. But we got Nismo front bumper, got some Serbs, and clear tails, full clears. Fucking a double Tomei too, no shot. That's just pretty clean though. fenders on it, some carbon fenders. Nah, we got you now, Lucy. Lucy wanted to say what's up, so that's my homegirl. She lives out here. I don't. Yeah, we linked up, all three of us, but we're gonna hit a car meet pretty soon. So yeah.
I didn't think it was that steep. That's good.
And these foods are super deep though. Let's see. Oh, it's just clean.
So that's what you could drift it.
That's just oh shit. This is getting bad. Yo, the bumper came off.
It's magnetic.
Is it? Oh shit. Oh shit.
Put on there.
Oh, that's tough.
Oh, hell no. Fucking record me, bitch.
Nah, I'm gonna record you whenever I want, boo. Put that shit on OnlyCans. Right here. But I ain't gonna lie. I wish I recorded the wheel. Is it gonna turn? Alright, I got it right here. What's up? Another IS. Good empty. That's just fucking clean.
first time ever.
Yo, loser boys. Damn. Oh shit, are those the real ones?
Yes, kids. Magna Blue TVs. Oh, it's orange. Yeah, it's orange. The what? Oh yeah, I think I already recorded that one. This guy was a
No shot. All right, Chad. So we pulled up to Yard House because we got hungry.
I'm sipping.
Yeah. Didn't you say you would hold it in your hands though? Bro, come on. No mames, bro. So different. So Donnie got the runs. He got to take a dookie. So we had to leave the parking lot because he got to take a shit. Little fat boy. And he's gonna get more animal fries too.
Fat fuck.
You fat fuck. Look at him. He's already shitting his pants.
Like he goes more close.
Pulled up to the spot where they wanted to flick.
You move sloppy, but keep your body in perfect shape. I'm on Roxy, she make it toxic with you and me. Autopilot, clean diet, I'm on a date. Sneak up by day, mix me in a way. Bitch be acting perfect, I brought rivals, matching purses. Love me, not that simple. Gemini, but I'm paid. AMG pretty emblem, but I drive too fast to see. Hollywood and money, she can build, she wanna be. We so used to trouble, can't respect authority. Hot pink 10s and I'm off like 40s. Cursed out all our friends, cause my brother's all I need. Just met birthday twins, I respect them both me. Them too fast again, all that shit getting boring.
So we're just getting the clips right now, but it's pretty cool here, I ain't gonna lie. Look at this little midget right there. Little nigga. I mean, little dude. Look at this guy.
He was just act too normal to me. I dream that I love her, she was just way too boring for me. Remember who was out there for me when I woke up, it was only me. Enough for I cry for a puddle, I could just scoop a cup and drink. Tell the motherfucker I love him, I don't feel like extortion to me. He was just act too normal to me. I dream that